Okay, so we will continue with the regulatory framework. Uh, so first, let's look at see some of the roles of RBI we have looked at in the earlier session. Okay, do you
Yes,
remember
sir.
some
Yes,
of
sir.
the loans of some of the roles of the RBI? Do you remember it?
Yes, sir.
What are the roles of RBI? We discussed in the last session. Okay, issue of banknotes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
banker to
You
the
see,
government,
yes, sir.
custodian of cash reserves,
Just cash reserves
foreign
of
currency
commercial bank.
reserves,
Yes, sir.
lender of last resort,
Yes, sir.
clearance and account settlement,
Yes, sir.
regulator and supervisor. So there are 12, important roles that the RBI plays.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, அந்த lender அந்த மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் டவுட்டா இருக்கு சார்.
Lender of last resort.
Yes, sir. The lender of last fifth one.
Lender of last resort is where, see, when now we just discussed a company can collapse. Okay. They have no money
Yes,
to
sir.
run the company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes, sir.
country also can collapse, like Sri Lanka. There is no money to run the country. Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
without money you can't run anything. Okay, that
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
background you must understand. Okay,
Yes,
whether
sir.
it is you are running whether you are running a bank, or you are running a company, or
Yes, sir.
you are a trader, or you are
Yes, sir.
anything. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
business cannot run without money.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
or even if you are running a country, the whole country cannot run without money.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody requires money to run,
Yes,
right?
sir.
நீங்க ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரேடிங் ஷாப் வச்சிருக்கீங்களோ இல்ல சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் வச்சிருக்கீங்களோ இல்ல
Yes,
பெரிய
sir.
எஃப்எம்சிஜி கம்பெனி வச்சிருக்கீங்களோ
Yes,
இல்ல
sir.
எம்என்சி கம்பெனி வச்சிருக்கீங்களோ இல்ல
Yes, sir.
யூ ஆர் ரன்னிங் அ பேங்க் ஆர் யூ ஆர் ரன்னிங் அ கண்ட்ரி யூ நீட்
Yes,
மணி
sir.
டு ரன் ஓகே நோ
Yes,
வாட்
sir.
ஹேப்பன்ஸ் இஃப் suddenly the bank does not have money to run. So let us say a bank has a base of 100 crores. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
அந்த பேங்க்ல வந்து ரிசர்வ்ஸ் எவ்வளவு மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும்? சிஆர்ஆர் எஸ்எல்ஆர் எவ்வளவு மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும்?
4%.
4 plus 18. Okay.
4 plus 18, sir.
22.
Yes, sir.
22
Yes, sir.
to 23% will go into CRR SLR statutory reserves. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 22 crores is maintained as reserves. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
remaining amount that can be lent out is how much?
Yes, sir.
78 crores.
78 crores.
78 crores the bank has lent out. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now,
Yes, sir.
after some time, see, when the bank is lending, the
Yes, sir.
loan has a maturity, right?
Yes, sir.
Like we discussed, fixed deposit will have a maturity, will have a
Yes, sir.
rate of interest and a maturity.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for a loan, there is a rate of interest and also a repayment term. Okay, it will come in
Yes, sir.
parts. Okay,
Yes, sir.
have you read about EMI? Do you know the concept of EMI?
Yes, sir.
Equated monthly installments, EMI.
Monthly installment. Yes, sir.
Equated monthly installments.
Monthly
That is called
installment.
EMI, correct?
EMI. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us say a customer takes a 1 lakh loan. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then they will pay, let's say, 8,000 rupees every month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How that
Yes, sir.
8,000 is arrived at?
For a percentage.
Percentage of interest and the tenure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tenure. Yes, sir.
So out of that, if the monthly EMI is 8,000,
Yes, sir.
one portion of that is interest, one portion
Yes,
of
sir.
that is principal.
Yes, sir.
EMI always has two components, interest
Yes,
and
sir.
principal.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us say a customer has taken 1 lakh loan and he will pay 8,000 rupees every month.
Yes, sir.
Out of that, 5,000 would be principal and 3,000 will be interest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
every month, the principal amount goes down by 5,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
this is how loans work. Loans work on EMI, right? Basic
Yes, sir.
understanding. Okay. We will not go
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
into depth.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
this bank has 100 crores deposit,
Yes, sir.
22 crores is available as reserves.
Yes, sir.
They have given out 78 crores.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Monthly, they will be getting, let us say, 10 crores as EMI.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, there is suddenly a customer who has deposited 20 crores out of that 100 crores.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Imagine out of that 100 crores of deposit, 20 crores belongs to one person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
suddenly this person comes and says, I have an
Yes, sir.
urgent requirement of money, give me my 20 crores. What will you do?
Um,
What will the bank do? Because your monthly collection itself is 10 crores.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
That
Yes,
too
sir.
is collected at different dates. You
Yes, sir.
will
Yes,
not have liquidity for that extent.
yes, sir.
For 20 crores, you will not have liquidity.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So what will the bank do? The bank will go to the call money market.
Yes, sir.
So immediately it will not go down. Okay,
Yes,
bank
sir.
will try to borrow from some other banks, right?
Yes, sir.
It will go to call money market.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then it will go to Reserve Bank to borrow.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Everywhere the bank has a certain limit. Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
Reserve
Yes,
Bank
sir.
will give to you only for the securities you are giving. Okay. Only
Yes,
against
sir.
collateral they will give you. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So, assuming you don't have the collateral, what happens?
Yes,
Your
sir.
bank will suddenly collapse. You don't have money to pay to the depositor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you require
Yes,
20
sir.
crores, but you don't have 20 crores, and your bank might collapse.
Yes, sir.
So, immediately what you do is you go to RBI and you will tell them that I do not have money to
Yes, sir.
repay, for which I need money.
Yes, sir.
When call money market doesn't work, when interbank borrowing doesn't work, when any other mode of funding does not work for a bank, the bank goes to
Yes, sir.
RBI and says, I need money.
Yes, sir.
So the Reserve Bank will support that particular bank to ensure
Yes,
liquidity. Okay.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is why Reserve Bank is called the lender of last resort.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, this
Okay.
was the case with Yes Bank. Sometime back, there was a
Yes, sir.
collapse of Yes Bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you heard of this bank called Yes Bank?
Yes, bank. Yes, sir.
Yes Bank. Okay. So they were about to collapse in 2023, I think. 2023. Okay.
Okay,
They
sir.
had no capital. See,
Yes,
banks,
sir.
when you look at bank's balance sheet, you will see there is something called capital, there is something called reserves, and then
Yes,
there
sir.
is money. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when the bank's capital is eroded, they don't have
Yes,
money to
sir.
pay the depositor,
Yes,
then
sir.
the bank will collapse.
Yes, sir.
In that situation, the Reserve Bank helps the bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is why Reserve Bank is called the lender of last resort.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Understand, understand, sir.
Okay. Now let's look at the first role of Reserve Bank, which is issue of currency and money supply.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed this. Reserve Bank issues all the notes in the country.
Notes in the country.
Notes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coins are issued by the government of India.
Government of India.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Apart from notes and coins, the balances in the savings and current account
Yes, sir.
deposits held by the public in commercial banks are also considered money. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
எக்கனாமியில மணின்னு சொல்லும்போது நோட்ஸ் காயின்ஸ் and savings and current account deposits which are held in commercial banks. All these put
Yes, sir.
together are called money.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
demand deposits, time deposits, we have seen it. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
when you look at currency or a coin, the note does not have value. Okay. Let us
Yes,
assume
sir.
there is a 100 rupee currency as given in this example. The value of the note is nothing. Okay. It would hardly be 5 rupees or 10 rupees to print that
Yes, sir.
100 rupee note.
Yes, sir.
So the paper is of no value,
Yes, sir.
right? But how does the value come? It comes because it comes with the guarantee provided by the Reserve Bank.
Yes, sir.
The governor of RBI signs on every note saying, I will fulfill this value of 100 rupees to the customer. Have you
Yes,
read
sir.
that in a note, in a currency? Have you ever read it?
No, sir.
100 rupee note இருந்ததுன்னா எடுங்களேன். Why don't you read it?
100 rupees note எடுக்கவா, sir?
எடுங்க, எடுத்து அதை ரீட் பண்ணுங்களேன்.
The Reserve Bank of India,
ம்
then number போட்டிருக்கு சார்.
அதுக்கு கீழே ஒரு சென்டர்ல இருக்கும் பாருங்க.
I promise to pay the
ம்
bearer the sum of 100 rupees.
ம்
கவர்னர்
signed
சைன்
by
போட்டிருக்கு.
signed by
கவர்னர் கவர்னர்.
governor, right?
எஸ்
So
சார், எஸ் சார்,
the Reserve Bank of India's governor signs on every valid currency note
எஸ் சார்,
saying that the bearer of this note will be able to purchase items for 100 rupees.
எஸ் சார்,
Correct? That
எஸ் சார்,
is why the value comes. The paper will not have any value.
எஸ் சார்,
Do you understand it?
எஸ் சார்,
So the RBI is responsible to ensure value of a particular currency.
எஸ் சார்,
So these currencies that are issued by the government, they are called fiat currency. Fiat currency means compulsorily you have to use only that currency.
எஸ்
Okay.
சார்,
For example, India, you will have to only use rupees. Okay. You can't use dollars in India, right?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
Or you can't use the Chinese currency in India. You can't use it.
எஸ் சார்.
You
நோ
have to
சார்,
use only the Indian rupee.
இந்தியன் ரூபி.
So it is a mandatory currency in the country, and that mandatory currency is issued by the Reserve Bank of India, right?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
Okay, so now let us uh, another important thing is preventing counterfeit currency. So all currencies in the country has to be issued only by the government of India, by the Reserve Bank. Okay, you
எஸ் சார்,
nobody else can print notes.
எஸ் சார்.
So if somebody else prints notes, it is called counterfeit.
கவுண்டர்ஃபீட்.
Counterfeit currency.
எஸ் சார்.
Counterfeit na என்னது போலி.
கள்ள நோட்டு.
Duplicate currency.
எஸ் சார்,
Okay, so nobody else is authorized to print currency,
எஸ் சார்,
right?
எஸ் சார்,
And Reserve Bank also is also responsible for ensuring mutilated currency notes are withdrawn from the public circulation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
mutilated currency notes and dirty, torn,
sir.
கிழிஞ்சு போயிருக்கும் இல்லையா?
எஸ்
So
சார்,
அந்த மாதிரி currency notesலாம் the Reserve Bank will withdraw all these such notes from the market through the banks,
Yes,
of
sir.
course.
எஸ் சார்,
Banks do it basis the guidelines given by the Reserve Bank of India, right?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
Okay. Now, an important concept is money supply. Okay, as we read, RBI prints notes and ensures there is liquidity in the market, right?
sir.
That liquidity is in terms of money supply. Okay,
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
money supply has four measures. Okay, there are four types of money supply. Okay,
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
M1 currency plus demand deposits, that is M1.
எஸ் சார்,
M2 is M1s plus savings with post office accounts. Please
Yes, sir.
please remember this. Okay, M1
Yes,
is
sir.
currency in circulation that has been given by the RBI and Government of India. Coins are given by Government of India, correct?
எஸ் சார்,
Notes are given by Reserve Bank or issued by
RBI.
Reserve Bank
எஸ்
of
சார்,
India.
எஸ் சார்,
Right?
எஸ் சார்,
So
Yes, sir.
currency means notes and coins. Okay.
எஸ் சார்,
TD means demand deposits. Demand deposits are savings account and current accounts held in commercial banks. Okay, that is
Yes, sir.
M1.
எஸ் சார்,
M2 is M1 plus savings deposits held in post office bank. So post office also runs a savings bank, runs
Yes,
a
sir.
bank, right? நீங்க post
sir.
office போனீங்கன்னா you would have seen post office savings bank account.
Yes, sir.
Post
Yes, sir.
officeல நிறைய
Yes, sir.
பேர் போய் deposit பண்ணுவாங்க, correct?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்,
Right? Then
Yes, sir.
M3 is M1 plus net time deposits of commercial banks. Net time deposits, I have discussed this earlier. Net deposit na என்னது? Fixed deposits. Net time deposit na என்னது? Fixed deposit held by customers,
எஸ்
right?
சார்,
By customers, excluding banks. So bank to bank, there can be fixed deposits, right?
எஸ் சார்,
You have to exclude that. That is called net time deposits.
எஸ் சார்,
Time deposit means fixed deposits. Okay.
எஸ் சார்,
Fixed deposits can be held by customers or it can be held between bank to bank.
எஸ் சார்,
So when you are calculating M3, you will calculate M1 and then add only
time
customer
deposit.
FDs. You will remove all the bank to bank FDs.
எஸ் சார்,
M4 is M3 plus total deposits with post office savings organizations, excluding NSC.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Right?
Yes, sir.
These are the four types of money supply. M1, M2 are known as narrow money, M3, M4 are known as broad money.
Yes, sir.
These measures are in decreasing order of liquidity. M1 is more liquid, M2 is lesser liquid, M3 is still lesser liquid, and M4 is not very liquid at all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are economic terms which as a banker you must understand. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the kind of money supply which is available in the market. And these are
Yes, sir.
completely controlled by the Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
All these M1, M2, M3, M4 play a vital role in controlling of inflation in the market.
Yes, sir.
As we saw earlier, Reserve Bank is responsible to control inflation in the country.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
There is a range in which it has to work, which is 2 to 6%. Right?
Yes,
Reserve Bank is there. And the next important function is banker to the government. Okay. So Reserve Bank undertakes all the receipts and payments of the central government,
yes,
including
sir.
GST, the income tax, right? All of these
Yes,
are handled by the Reserve Bank of India. All of these, when you pay GST, you
yes,
go,
sir.
do you know any friends who are in business and all?
Yes, sir.
They will pay GST. Okay.
Come on.
Where does
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
GST go? The GST
Government.
goes to the government. It is
Yes, sir.
handled by the RBI.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, how this happens is, okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, income tax. Okay, income tax. Everybody has to file income tax, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
can you go directly to the Reserve Bank and pay? You don't pay it like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You go to a bank, you fill up a challan for income tax,
Yes, sir.
and you pay the money through that particular bank. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
How the bank does it is because the Reserve Bank has designated that bank as an agent to collect income tax.
Yes, sir.
Only those banks which are agents, which have been declared as agents by the Reserve Bank, can collect income tax
Yes,
or
sir.
GST or whatever it is. Okay. So
Yes,
the
sir.
RBI has to designate a bank and a branch to conduct government business. Then only the bank or branch can do it.
Yes, sir.
Reserve Bank is the
Yes, sir.
aggregator of accounting of all GST collections in the respective government accounts. So that's a very important one. Okay,
Yes,
important
sir.
role that the RBI plays.
Yes, sir.
All the government transactions accounts are all handled by the Reserve Bank. Payments,
Yes, sir.
collections, everything. Right?
Yes, sir.
Custodian of country's foreign currency reserves. Okay. So every country will have foreign currency reserves. Only with
Yes, sir.
that they will do import and export transactions. Right?
Yes, sir.
Foreign
Yes, sir.
reserves include foreign currency assets, which are foreign currency like physical currency of dollars, pounds, euros, all those kind of currencies.
Yes, sir.
Then special drawing rights. Special drawing rights are with whom? International Monetary Fund, IMF.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Reserve
Okay,
tranche
sir.
position with the IMF. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
SDR, RTP are with the IMF. Every government will have special drawing rights and reserve tranche position with the IMF. So
yes, sir.
sometime back I asked you what is the role of IMF, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Every
sir.
every government will have a special drawing right, which means they can draw so much of money from the IMF.
Yes, sir.
So these kind of agreements are available with the IMF. And when a government needs money, they can withdraw from IMF also.
Yes,
But
sir. Yes, sir.
the amount of SDRs which are available with IMF are counted as foreign currency reserves, right?
Yes, sir.
That is very important because a large economy like India, we will have millions of, dollars which come in and millions of dollars which go out of the country on a daily basis. There is so much of trade, import, export happening, right?
Yes, sir.
Investments, imports, exports, FDIs.
Yes,
So
sir.
all of these requires, transactions in foreign currency. So why this foreign currency reserve management is very important and why RBI does it? It maintains the confidence in monetary and exchange rate policies. Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
you have more foreign currency, the
Yes, sir.
exchange rate
Yes, sir.
will be impacted. Exchange rate na என்னது புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? What
Exchange
is an
rate, sir. Yes.
exchange rate? ஆ. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்னைக்கு நியூஸ் பேப்பர்ல எடுத்து ரீட் பண்றீங்க இல்ல நியூஸ்ல இஃப் யூ லுக் அட் நியூஸ் தே
Yes,
வில்
sir.
சே இந்தியன் ருபி டு யூஎஸ் டாலர்.
Yes, sir.
ஓகே, இப்போ ஒரு
Yes, sir.
யூஎஸ் டாலருடைய வேல்யூ என்ன?
82 something.
82 83 rupees,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? 1
Yes, sir.
USD equal to 83 rupees அப்படின்னு
82,
போடுவாங்க.
80.
What does it mean?
நம்மளோட 83 rupees அவங்களோட ஒரு
ஒரு
டாலர்.
டாலர். இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு
Yes, sir.
டாலர் வாங்கணும்னா 83 ரூபா அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்.
Sir.
Right? This is what it means, right?
Yes, sir.
So if if you have more dollars, இப்போ
Yes,
if
sir.
our country as a whole has more dollars, then what happens?
Yes.
If there is more supply of dollars, what happens?
Our money
ஆ,
வேல்யூ வந்து இதாகும் சார்.
என்ன ஆகும்?
டிக்ரீஸ்
சாரி,
டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுமா சார்?
ஒரு 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 பேசிக் சி கரன்சி. ஆல்வேஸ் இமேஜின் கரன்சி இஸ் அ கமாடிட்டி. ஓகே, கரன்சி.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, கரன்சி இஸ் அ கமாடிட்டி. கமாடிட்டினா என்ன? சம்திங் லைக் ரைஸ். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
ஒரு ஒரு பிசிக்கல் கமாடிட்டி இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்களேன். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார்.
அரிசி வந்து இஃப் லெட் சே இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டாக் வந்து 100 டன்ஸ் இருக்குது.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு 100 rupees விற்கிறாங்க. ஓகே,
எஸ்
tomorrow
சார்.
if the stock is 500 tons, what happens to the price of rice?
எஸ் சார்.
என்ன ஆகும்? ஆ?
கூடும் சார். கூடும் சார்.
எப்படிம்மா 500 டன் இருக்கும்போது விலை இறங்குமே?
சார் இப்போ வந்து 500 டன் கமாடிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுச்சுன்னா கேக்குறீங்களா சார்?
கமாடிட்டி, கமாடிட்டி உடைய
கமாடிட்டி
குவான்டிட்டி
இன்க்ரீஸ்னா டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும் சார்.
பிரைஸ் வந்து என்ன ஆகும்?
டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும்.
டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். நீங்க நீங்க ஊர்ல இருந்து தானே வந்திருக்கீங்க. இப்போ ஒரு ஒரு ஃபார்மர் வந்து உங்க ஊர்ல என்ன என்ன க்ரோ பண்றாங்க?
எல்லாமே
எல்லாமே
பனானா,
அரிசி எல்லாம் பேடி எல்லாம்
அரிசி,
பண்றாங்கல்ல.
பேடி. எஸ்
நெல்லு
சார்.
எல்லாம்
நெல் அப்புறம்
பண்றாங்கல்ல. நெல்
கோகோனட்டு.
விளைச்சல் வந்து இந்த இது வந்து இந்த தடவை நல்ல விளைச்சல்னா விலை என்ன ஆகும்?
விலை குறையும் சார்.
விலை குறையுமா கூடுமா?
நல்ல விளைச்சல் இருந்தா விலை குறைய தான் சார் செய்யும்.
விலை குறைஞ்சிரும் இல்லையா?
எஸ்
தட்
சார்.
இஸ் யூ இமேஜின் தி சேம் சிச்சுவேஷன் வித் கரன்சி.
எஸ்
உங்ககிட்ட
சார்.
நிறைய டாலர் இருந்தா ருப்பியுடைய
எஸ் சார்.
வேல்யூ என்ன ஆகும்?
குறையும் சார்.
ருப்பியுடைய வேல்யூ
வேல் குறையும்.
ருப்பியுடைய வேல்யூ கூடும், டாலருடைய
எஸ்.
வேல்யூ குறையும். புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
அதாவது இன்னைக்கு 83 ரூபா ஒரு டாலர். ஓகே,
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
உங்ககிட்ட நாளைக்கு வந்து ஒரு $1 பில்லியன் வருது. அப்போ
எஸ் சார்.
டாலர் என்ன ஆகும்? 82 ரூபாய்க்கே நீங்க வாங்கிக்கலாம் இல்லையா?
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
நிறைய டாலர்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது டாலருடைய ரேட் என்ன ஆகும்?
குறையும்.
குறைஞ்சிடும். அப்போ
எஸ் சார்.
டாலர் டெப்ரிஷியேட்ஸ், ருபி அப்ரிஷியேட்ஸ்.
எஸ் சார்.
புரிஞ்சுட்டீங்களா? திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃபாரெக்ஸ் ரேட்.
எஸ் சார்.
When there is a higher supply of dollars, rupee will appreciate.
ஹையர் சப்ளை
Higher
ஆஃப்
supply of dollars,
டாலர்ஸ்,
rupee will appreciate.
ருப்பி வில் அப்ரிசியேட்.
Okay. When there
எஸ்
is a
சார்.
lower supply of dollar, rupee will depreciate.
அண்ட் தேர் இஸ். எஸ் சார்.
Hmm?
எஸ் சார்.
புரிஞ்சுச்சா?
எஸ் சார்.
So, this is an important concept in the foreign exchange market. Okay.
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
ஸோ இந்த இந்த சில இந்தியாவுடைய ருப்பி நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஓவர் அ பீரியட் ஆஃப் டைம் இட் சம்டைம்ஸ் அப்ரிஷியேட்ஸ், இட் சம்டைம்ஸ் டெப்ரிஷியேட்ஸ். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார்.
த ரீசன் இஸ் த சப்ளை ஆஃப் டாலர்ஸ்.
எஸ் சார்.
எதனால அது ஏறுது இறங்குதுனால் டாலர்ஸ் உடைய சப்ளை.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, டாலர் உடைய
எஸ் சார்.
சப்ளை எப்படி இந்தியாவுக்கு கிடைக்கும்?
மணி எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இந்த மாதிரி இதுல இருந்து சார்.
ம்ஹும். எதனால இந்தியாவுக்கு டாலர் வரும் சொல்லுங்க?
Trading between both countries.
ட்ரேடிங் பிட்வீன் போத் கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல. ஓகே.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
இந்தியா என்ன பண்ணணும்?
ஒன்னு
இந்தியா
செல் பண்ண
என்ன
இந்தியா வந்து
பண்ணினால் டாலர் கிடைக்கும் சொல்லுங்க?
சப்போஸ் இந்தியா அங்க ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் விக்குதுன்னா அந்த அமௌண்ட் நம்ம டாலரா வாங்கலாம்.
ஆ, கரெக்ட். அதுக்கு அதுக்கு கரெக்டான டேர்ம் சொல்லுங்க. இந்தியன் குட்ஸ் which are sold in the US.
எஸ் சார்.
What do we do? We
We can
export or
receive
we
டாலர்.
import? We are
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
importing
சார்.
or we are exporting? சொல்லுங்க.
எக்ஸ்போர்ட்டிங்.
Exporting, correct.
எஸ் சார்.
So if rupee has to appreciate, we
எஸ்
have to
சார்.
export more. Please understand this concept.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, yeah?
ஓகே சார்.
If we have to improve the value of the Indian rupee, we
எஸ்
have
சார்.
to ensure we export more.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay. Exports
எஸ்
is one way we can get more dollars. Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
Then a lot of dollars comes as investments. Okay. இப்போ
எஸ்
நிறைய
சார்.
இப்போ இப்போ ஒரு ஒரு ஃபேக்டரி இந்தியாவில் வந்து இப்போ ஆப்பிள் வந்து ஒரு ஃபேக்டரி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றாங்க. அப்போ அவங்க
எஸ் சார்.
பணம் எப்படி கொண்டு வருவாங்க? டாலர்ஸா தானே கொண்டு வராங்க. அவங்க வந்து சொல்லுவாங்க,
எஸ் சார்.
ஐ எம் இன்வெஸ்டிங் $500 million in India அப்படின்னு
எஸ்
சொல்லுவாங்க.
சார்.
அப்போ
எஸ் சார்.
$500 million will come into India.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, please understand these are very important concepts. Okay,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
then uh, these are investments which will come into India. Then
எஸ் சார்.
there are remittances which comes into India. Okay,
எஸ்
what
சார்.
are remittances? Remittance na enadhu? Remittance means the non-resident Indians who are abroad
எஸ்
will
சார்.
send money to India.
எஸ் சார்.
Correct? That is called a
எஸ் சார்.
remittance.
எஸ் சார்.
That is called non-resident Indian remittances. Okay, NRI
எஸ் சார்.
remittances.
எஸ்
NRI
சார்.
remittances, na எப்படி see, there would be somebody in the Gulf. Okay, somebody has gone to work in the Gulf. Okay,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
or to the US or to Germany. Somewhere they are going and working. Indians are working in several countries. Okay,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
now they may sometimes go with their family or sometimes they will go alone.
எஸ் சார்.
Correct?
எஸ் சார்.
எல்லாரும் அவங்க ஃபேமிலியை கூட்டிட்டு போக மாட்டாங்களே.
எஸ் சார்.
அவங்களுடைய பசங்களுடைய ஸ்டடீஸ் இருக்கும், இல்ல வாட் எவர்
எஸ்.
ரீசன்ஸ் அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் இங்க இருப்பாங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
அதனால என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, they will earn in they will earn abroad. Okay,
எஸ் சார்.
but
எஸ்
every
சார்.
month they will send some money for their families who are in India.
எஸ் சார்.
That is called remittance. So they will send it as dollars.
எஸ் சார்.
So these are major sources of dollars coming into the country.
எஸ் சார்.
Correct?
எஸ் சார்.
Now, for what we pay outside? How much of why will dollars flow out of the country? சொல்லுங்க.
டாலர்ஸ் ஃப்ளோ அவுட் ஆஃப் த கண்ட்ரி வந்து.
Uh, when we are importing goods, correct?
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
When
சார்.
we import certain goods, we will have
எஸ்
to
சார்.
pay them in dollars. Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
இப்போ, as we have discussed this earlier, when you import a machinery from Germany, they
எஸ்
will not
சார்.
accept rupees. They will say you pay me in dollars.
டாலர்ஸ்.
Correct?
எஸ் சார்.
So you will have to pay them in dollars. So
எஸ் சார்.
dollars will flow out from your country to another country.
எஸ் சார்.
Then when you are importing oil, oil is a major, import commodity for the country.
எஸ் சார்.
Oil, okay, oil which is used in
எஸ்
petroleum products, right? Petrol,
சார்.
diesel, all of
எஸ்
that
சார்.
comes as crude oil into the country. Then it is refined and made into petrol, diesel, whatever, right?
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
So
சார்.
when India is a major importer of oil. So to run the economy, you need oil.
எஸ் சார்.
So you will pay them in dollars. So you will import oil from Gulf, Saudi, Russia, wherever. You will have to import from those countries.
எஸ்
So
சார்.
they will say that you have to give me the payment in dollars.
டாலர்.
When you pay in dollars, okay,
எஸ்
there
சார்.
is an outflow of dollars.
எஸ் சார்.
So when there is an outflow of dollar, what happens to the rupee?
ருப்பி வந்து கன்வெர்ட் ஆயிரும் சார்.
கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது, வேல்யூ என்ன ஆகும்? அப்ரிஷியேட் ஆகுமா, டெப்ரிஷியேட் ஆகுமா?
Value depreciate.
depreciate ஆயிடும். So
Yes, sir.
this is what impacts the foreign exchange
Yes, sir.
rates. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Reserve Bank has ways of controlling these rates. See, foreign exchange should not fluctuate too much. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Why
sir.
it should not fluctuate too much?
Got it.
Foreign exchange rate should not fluctuate too much. எதனால?
இந்த மணி சப்ளை ஆயிட்டு இதாயிட்டே இருக்காங்க,
என்ன ஆகும்?
சர்க்குலேஷன் ஆயிட்டே இருக்காங்க சார்.
அப்படி இல்லை. அதாவது ஒரு when you there is a time period between the contract and the supply. So please understand.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, for example, let's say you are exporting certain goods from India. Okay,
எஸ் சார்.
when you are exporting goods, right? Let's say திருப்பூர் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், டெக்ஸ்டைல் சென்டர். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார்.
கார்மெண்ட்ஸ் பண்றாங்க திருப்பூர்ல. ஓகே,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
அவங்களுடைய மேஜர் மார்க்கெட் என்ன? யூரோப், அமெரிக்கா தான். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
so let us say today they get a order. ஓகே, $1 million ஆர்டர் வாங்கிடுறாங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
ரைட்,
எஸ் சார்.
$1 million இன்னைக்கு ஆர்டர் வாங்கினாங்கன்னா அவங்க அதை
Yes, sir.
மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணி அதை யூஎஸ்க்கு டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணணும். கரெக்டா? ஸோ
எஸ் சார். ஆமா.
ஒரு 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 கண்டெய்னர்ல அவங்க அதை அனுப்பணும். அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே,
எஸ் சார்.
அந்த மேனுஃபேக்சரிங்க்கே ஒரு 20 days ஆயிடும். ஓகே,
ஆமா.
they have to run
ஆமா.
the mill, then only they can manufacture the garments, right?
எஸ் சார்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஃப்ரம் திருப்பூர் டு யூஎஸ், அதுக்கு ஒரு 1 month ஆயிடும்.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே,
எஸ் சார்.
now imagine the value of rupee after 40 days, after 50 days னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. 1 month டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டுக்கு, 20 days மேனுஃபேக்சருக்கு. ஓகே,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
இவங்க வந்து காஸ்டிங் எப்படி எடுத்திருப்பாங்க? இந்தியன் ருபீஸ்ல எடுத்திருப்பாங்க.
ஆமா சார்.
ஓகே, இந்தியன்
எஸ் சார்.
ருபீல எனக்கு ரா மெட்டீரியல் காஸ்ட் இவ்வளவு. கார்மெண்ட் மேனுஃபேக்சர்னா என்னது? த்ரெட், நூல் வேணும் இல்லையா?
எஸ் சார்.
நூல், காட்டன் அதெல்லாம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அதெல்லாம் காஸ்ட் அவங்களுக்கு. அப்புறம் லேபர் காஸ்ட் இவ்வளவு, மிஷினரி காஸ்ட்
எஸ் சார்.
இவ்வளவு, எல்லாம் போட்டு
எஸ் சார்.
டாக்ஸஸ் எல்லாம்
எல்லாமே
போட்டு
போட்டு.
they would arrive at a cost, right?
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
Now imagine, so let us say the cost was 80 rupees, they are selling at 100 rupees. Okay,
எஸ் சார்.
அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
இப்போ அந்த the US party will pay them $1 million. அவ்வளவுதான் அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும்.
எஸ் சார்.
கரெக்டா?
ஆமா சார்.
After 50 days, let us assume the Indian currency
எஸ் சார்.
from 83
எஸ் சார்.
it became 80 னு வச்சுக்கோங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேயா?
ஓகே சார்.
அப்போ இந்த எக்ஸ்போர்ட்டர் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன வரவு, என்ன 50 days பேக் என்ன நினைச்சிருப்பாங்க? 1 million-னா எவ்வளவு? $10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Okay,
எஸ் சார்.
$10 lakh is 1 million. 10 lakhs into 82ன்னு அவங்க கணக்கு பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. அப்போ
எஸ் சார்.
8.2 crores வரும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிருப்பாங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
இன்னைக்கு 80 ரூபா ஆயிடுச்சு.
எஸ் சார்.
ஏன்னா சப்ளைக்கு எனக்கு 50 நாள் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஆமா சார்.
50 நாள் கழிச்சு அவன் பேமெண்ட் அனுப்புறான்
எஸ் சார்.
யூஎஸ்ல இருந்து. they are sending the payment. Then how much do I get if it is only 80 rupees? So my realization went down.
எஸ் சார்.
கரெக்டா?
கரெக்ட் சார்.
So this is the reason the RBI will try to control the exchange rate, because if there is too much of fluctuation, the exporter
sir.
will lose money.
எஸ் சார்.
You get it, no? See, there will be minor movements. Okay, it will happen. Okay,
எஸ்
but
சார்.
the movement should not be huge.
எஸ் சார்.
If it is huge, a lot of people will lose money.
எஸ் சார்.
So it is very important for the RBI to control the volatility and in the market as well as the exchange rates.
எஸ் சார்.
That is why the RBI will intervene in the foreign market, forex market,
Yes,
and
sir.
they will ensure that the rupee dollar exchange rate is stable. That
Yes,
is
sir.
one of the major functions of the Reserve Bank of India,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So this they will do by maintaining foreign currency reserves.
Yes, sir.
Foreign currency reserves are what? Foreign currency assets, special drawing rights, RTPs, and
Yes, sir.
gold. These are the reserves that the RBI maintains. A
Yes,
very,
sir.
very important function that the RBI does because of globalization. There is a lot of import export between all the countries, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if the exchange rate varies very much, then lot of Indian companies will lose.
Yes, sir.
So it is important for the RBI to maintain the foreign exchange reserves.
Yes, sir.
As per data of RBI, India's forex reserves is how much? $615.97 billion, right?
Yes, sir.
The more dollars, see, it is a simple concept. The reserves, this is the dollar currency that we have, right?
Yes, sir.
So $615 billion, our Indian rupee exchange rate is 82, 83. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, if we have $1 trillion, what will happen to the exchange rate? Rupee will appreciate. Correct?
Appreciate. Yes, sir.
So it is important for the RBI to maintain the to build and maintain the foreign exchange reserves of the
Yes, sir.
country. You have any doubt on this?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a very important one because when you become a banker, there will be a lot
Yes,
of
sir.
forex transactions. There will be a lot of
Yes,
rate
sir. Yes, sir.
movements. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you must be able to relate to it. Okay, you
Yes,
may
sir.
not do
Yes, sir.
much, but you must have a basic understanding of how this works and why it works like this.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Lender of last resort, we have already discussed this,
Yes,
right?
sir.
It provides
Yes, sir.
emergency credit to financial institutions that are struggling financially and are near collapse.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Lender of last resort functions to protect individuals who have deposited funds and to prevent customers from withdrawing out of panic from the bank with temporarily limited liquidity. So, see, one is, yes, it protects banks. Okay. As I
Yes,
said,
sir.
the lender of last resort, when there is no liquidity, the bank will go to the RBI and ask for liquidity. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The RBI supports the bank. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But why the RBI supports the bank is because the RBI wants to protect the interest of the depositors. Please understand it.
Yes,
Because
sir.
if a bank collapses, all its depositors will lose money.
Yes, sir.
So the RBI helps the bank as the lender of last resort. It is not for
Yes, sir.
anything else,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Banker to banks issues instructions for opening of current accounts, which is used to maintain cash reserves with RBI as well as to carry interbank transactions. So banker to banks, okay, all settlement and clearing transactions are handled through Reserve Bank of
Yes,
India,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Through a centralized account which all the banks will have at the Reserve Bank of India. So Reserve
Yes,
Bank
sir.
is called the banker to all the banks.
Yes, sir.
RBI helps the banks to manage its funds. When the need arises, RBI provides short-term loans and advances to the banks against any collateral, right?
Yes, sir.
It has a mechanism of managing the funds known as CFMS, Centralized Fund Management System.
Yes, sir.
Regulator and supervisor of the financial system. Okay, RBI. What are all the risks that the RBI manages? Interest rate risk, liquidity risk, credit risk, market risk, and operations risk.
Operational risk.
Okay, so these are all the risks. These are the five risks which are handled by the RBI.
Yes, sir.
So all of these risks, okay,
Yes, sir.
are specified under the Basel Accord. Have you heard of the Basel Accord?
No, sir.
Okay, so that will be your next task. Okay, get
Yes,
into
sir.
online, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
must read what is the Basel Accord. Basel 1, 2, 3. There are several Basel norms. Now it is Basel 3. Okay.
Yes,
Just
sir.
see what it says about Basel norms. Okay.
Sir, BASIL.
BASEL.
Yes, sir.
BASEL.
Okay, sir.
Basel is a worldwide financial industry norm. Okay, where they
Okay,
will
sir.
say so much of capital, so much of liquidity needs to be maintained. All
Yes,
that.
sir.
It is an international system
Yes,
to
sir.
bring in uniformity in the way banks are being run or financial
Yes,
institutions
sir.
are being run.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How risks needs to be treated,
Yes,
how
sir.
risk has to be weighted. So all of
Yes,
these
sir.
will be in the Basel Accord. In the
Yes, sir.
Basel 3 norms, you can just search in internet, you will get Basel 3 norms.
Okay,
I
sir.
want you to, read it out in our next session.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
RBI monitors the NPAs of all banks, right?
Yes, sir.
NPAs is non-performing assets. So, what is, do you understand what is a non-performing asset? Have you heard of this term?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Non-performing asset means is a loan which has
Yes,
not
sir.
been repaid. The
Yes, sir.
interest for the loan has not been collected for 3 months, then it becomes a non performing asset NPA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
let
okay,
us
sir.
assume we as a bank we have lent out to a person.
They
Okay,
did
that
not
person
pay
has
interest,
is
sir.
not paying the EMI for 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, while the definition says interest has not been collected for the last 3 months, but
Yes, sir.
assuming in a practical sense it is EMI which has not been collected for 3 months. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just in a limited sense, I'm saying, not the overall sense, but assuming, okay,
Yes,
a
sir.
customer has not paid, in the EMI for 3 months, then it becomes an NPA.
Yes, sir.
So the norms for recognizing NPAs, provisioning, all has to be done by the banks. So that is all decided by that is all those guidelines are issued by the Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Uh, RBI lays down various policies for working of the banks, revises them as and when necessary. Right?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes, sir.
unethical, doubtful, suspicious activity will be monitored by the RBI and RBI will question them.
Yes, sir.
RBI set up the DICGC for protection of small depositors in case of failure or bankruptcy. Okay,
Yes,
what
sir.
is DICGC? Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DICGC insures small deposits up to 5 lakhs in a bank.
Sir.
Up to 5 lakhs, even if a bank collapses,
Yes, sir.
okay, the
Yes, sir.
insurance taken by the banks will ensure that small depositors are paid the sum of 5 lakhs, even if the bank has collapsed. That is what DICGC means,
Yes, sir.
right? But it is
Yes, sir.
available only up to 5 lakhs.
Yes,
And
sir.
it is available for retail depositors, not for, deposits of governments, interbank deposits, foreign governments. It excludes all of that. It is meant to protect the small depositors. RBI is authorized to issue various guidelines to bank directors and appoint additional directors. RBI appoints the chairman, managing director, CEOs of commercial banks. Very important role, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
the chairman, MD, CEOs of banks are appointed by the RBI. RBI can also take the role of the board of directors in commercial banks. If any fraud happens, if that board is not functioning well, then RBI appoints directors on the board of such banks in order to exercise better control. Right?
Yes, sir.
Offsite monitoring of stock exchanges through returns, the lending database, credit central repository of information on large credits, that is CRILIC database. Everything is done by the Reserve Bank. RBI is also empowered to impose penalties on banks and financial institutions which are committing errors, right? Errors, mistakes, wrong things. There will be penalties by the Reserve Bank of India. RBI also plays a role in the in the development of the banking system in the country, right? For development of agriculture, RBI has Agriculture Credit Department for conducting research, various research the RBI conducts. RBI also has established NABARD, IDBI, etc. And RBI also promotes financial literacy and also financial inclusion. Okay. So this is about RBI. Any doubts till now, Dinesh? Dinesh?
Sir,
Okay.
no, sir.
Okay. Let's move on to the next regulator. Okay. See,
SEBI.
RBI is the major regulator. Okay, but there are
Sir.
two other regulators, which are the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and IRDA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you must
Insurance regulation.
understand that banks are mandatorily should be public companies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should be
Yes, sir.
public companies. A bank cannot be a private limited company or a proprietorship. Do you do you
Sir.
do you understand difference between proprietorship, partnership, private limited and public limited companies?
சார் ப்ரொப்ரைட்டர்ஷிப் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் இப்போதைக்கு ஞாபகத்தில் இல்லை சார். மிச்சம் மூணு தெரியும் சார்.
So, proprietorship என்ன ஒரு single owner அவ்வளவுதான். An individual is
ஓகே
owning a
சார். ஓகே
company
சார்.
that
ஓகே
is
ஓகே
called a
ஓகே ஓகே
proprietorship அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay, partnership, there are multiple partners.
One or
Private
multiple
limited,
person
there are
join
minimum.
together and run a business.
Huh?
Multiple person join together
Hmm.
to run a business.
Correct. So, public limited companies are all listed in the stock exchanges, correct?
Sir,
The
yes, sir.
National Stock Exchange or the Bombay Stock
On
Exchange.
the stock exchange.
Okay, you said sometime back you were dealing in securities in shares and all. All those companies are listed in NSE or BSE.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Those are public limited companies.
Yes, sir.
So banks are mandatorily should be public limited companies. Okay. Bank
Yes,
cannot be
sir.
a proprietorship, bank cannot be a partnership, bank cannot be a private limited company. It has to be mandatorily a public limited company.
Yes, sir.
And when you are listed in a stock exchange, there are a lot of obligations that you have to follow.
Yes, sir.
Right? The stock
Yes, sir.
exchange regulator is the SEBI. So
Yes, sir.
mandatorily you have to follow all the directions of the of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI.
Yes, sir.
So SEBI has a legal status. It is a body corporate having separate legal existence and perpetual succession. Okay, with the growth of dealings in stock markets, lot of malpractices happens like price rigging, unofficial premiums on new issues, delay in
Yes,
delivery of shares. Okay, so many issues can come up when you are listed in the stock market.
sir.
Okay. For
Yes, sir.
for that, when banks are listed in the stock market, we will have to follow a lot of regulatory requirements.
Yes, sir.
SEBI was set up to protect the interest of the investors. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there are three groups which operate in the stock market. Issuer,
Yes,
these
sir.
are the companies who issues shares. Okay, those are called issuers. Investors are the ones who invest in shares. Okay, who buy those shares.
Yes, sir.
Intermediaries are like the stockbrokers. They help the
Yes,
investors make purchases or
yes, sir.
sell their shares. Okay.
Yes,
Objective of
sir.
the SEBI is to regulate the activities of the stock exchange, protect investors, to prevent
Yes,
fraudulent practices and malpractices, to
yes, sir.
regulate a code of conduct for intermediaries such as brokers, underwriters, etc.
Yes, sir.
Right? SEBI has
Thank
three important functions: protective function, developmental function, and regulatory function.
you.
So it checks price rigging. Price rigging na price manipulation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are if several brokers join together and say that today we will increase the price of one particular stock, then
Yes,
it
sir.
is called price rigging.
Yes, sir.
Or they can also join together and sell a particular stock and ensure that the stock price goes down.
Yes, sir.
So SEBI does not allow all that. It monitors whether people are acting in their individual capacity or they are doing price rigging,
Yes,
right?
sir.
SEBI
Yes, sir.
prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices. It does not allow companies to make misleading statements
Yes, sir.
in the sale and purchase of securities,
Yes, sir.
right? There has to be a proper declaration, and SEBI monitors all of that,
Yes, sir.
right? SEBI
Awesome, sir.
undertakes steps to educate investors. There are several investor education advertisements,
Yes, sir.
seminars which are held by SEBI. Prohibits insider trading, very important. Okay,
Yes, sir. Insider trading. Yes,
insider
sir.
trading,
தெரியும் சார் தெரியும் சார்.
என்னன்னு தெரியுமா?
தெரியும் சார்.
என்ன சொல்லுங்க பார்ப்போம்.
அது வந்து அந்த ட்ரேட் பண்றது வந்து அந்த உள்ள இருக்கிறவங்களே பை பண்ணுங்க செல் பண்ணுங்க இந்த மாதிரி நம்மள கம்யூனிகேட் பண்றது.
ஆஹா, இன்சைடர் ட்ரேடிங் என்னன்னா, so let us say you are a senior employee in a bank. Okay.
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
Let us say you are the CFO, CEO, or some big employee in a bank. Okay. You
எஸ்
will
சார்.
know what is happening in your bank.
எஸ்
Okay.
சார்.
You will know if you are making your if in this year
எஸ் சார்.
your profit is growing up by 100%. அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். So
எஸ் சார்.
automatically your share price will go up. Correct?
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
If you have that, you will have that information. The employees of the bank will have that information.
எஸ் சார்.
MD, CEO, CFO, and the very big employees will have that kind of information.
எஸ் சார்.
When they have that information, they will,
எஸ் சார்.
what they do is they keep buying or selling the stocks.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, so you have an insider is a person who has got information about the performance of the company, which
எஸ்
is
சார். எஸ்
not
சார்.
available to general public.
எஸ் சார்.
And they will use this information for profit.
எஸ் சார்.
So இந்த மூணு கண்டிஷன் இருக்கும் இன்சைடர்ல. Okay,
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
you are an employee
எஸ் சார்.
who has intimate knowledge and information about the performance of the company, right?
எஸ் சார்.
This
எஸ் சார்.
information is not available in the public domain. Public doesn't know. Then you use this information for your
எஸ்.
profit. See, recent case, okay, very recent, even last week or 1 month, okay.
எஸ் சார்.
IndusInd Bank.
எஸ் சார்.
There is a bank called IndusInd Bank.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay. Have you heard
எஸ்
of
சார்.
this bank, IndusInd Bank?
நோ சார்.
No. Okay.
நோ நோ நோ.
Okay. Another task then you will have to do. Read about IndusInd Bank. Okay.
இண்டஸ்இண்ட் பேங்கா சார்?
IndusInd, INDUSIND, IndusInd Bank.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
Okay. Now there
எஸ்
was
சார்.
this managing director in a bank, in this bank. Okay. His
எஸ்
name
சார்.
was Mr. Sumant.
எஸ் சார்.
So you can read that report. Okay, you can read IndusInd Bank managing
எஸ் சார்.
director why he was prevented from trading in the stock market. SEBI
எஸ்
has
சார்.
taken an action, right?
எஸ் சார். எஸ் சார்.
IndusInd Bank managing director. You can just read it and you
எஸ்
can
சார்.
let me know. Another,
எஸ் சார்.
it was an important case of insider trading, right?
எஸ் சார்.
Then SEBI promotes fair trade practices, code of conduct in the security market. SEBI also does, training of intermediaries in the securities market. SEBI has done a lot of good work in, internet trading through registered stockbrokers, underwriting optional to reduce the cost of issue. IPOs are permitted through the stock exchange. So a lot of developmental functions that they do. Okay. Regulatory functions, SEBI frames the rules and regulations, code of conduct to regulate intermediaries such as merchant bankers, brokers, underwriters, etc. SEBI registers and regulates the working of stockbrokers, sub-brokers, share transfer agents, trustees. SEBI registers and regulates the working of mutual funds. SEBI regulates takeover of companies, conducts inquiries and audits of stock exchanges. Very important, right? So
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir. அது தெரியும்
So
சார்.
mutual funds are securities like equities, debt, bonds. All of that is regulated by the SEBI. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Powers
sir.
of SEBI to educate brokers, to make rules and regulations for controlling stock exchanges,
Yes, sir.
to encourage investors of foreign investors for investments in India, to
Yes,
develop
sir.
the stock and share markets in India, to stop all frauds and malpractices in the exchange. Right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
seen all of this. What are their functions?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
another important regulator is the IRDA. Right?
Yeah, yeah, insurance.
Insurance as a business started in India in 1818. In 1818,
Yes,
Oriental
sir.
Life Insurance Company was started in Calcutta. Okay. So, uh, in Chennai, in Madras, in 1829, it started. So, insurance is age-old industry. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, this is just a bit of history. Okay. Power and functions of authority are laid down by the IRDA Act of 1999, Insurance Act of
Yes, sir.
1938.
Yes, sir.
So, still, that is the principal, act which is governing the insurance sector in India, the Insurance Act of 1938. Okay.
Yes, sir.
IRDA was formed in 1999 to regulate the insurance companies. Okay.
Sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
IRDA, why is it important? Because for banks, it is very important, right? Because
Yes, sir.
we are also dealing in insurance. Banks, all the banks have insurance subsidiaries, or we are dealing insurance products. So it is important that all the banks adhere to the insurance regulations, correct? So we should ensure that we adhere to the regulations, and those
Yes, sir.
regulations are framed by the IRDA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, powers and functions of IRDA include certify insurance companies, protect the interests of policyholders, adjudication of disputes. So, if you look at it, SEBI protects investors, IRDA also protects the policyholders. The major functions of SEBI, IRDA is to protect the investors. Okay. And adjudication
Yes,
of
sir.
disputes. So if there is a dispute between an insurance company and a policy holder, the people can appeal to the IRDA. So they will settle the disputes.
Yes, sir.
So protection of interest of policy holders in matters concerning assigning of policy, nominations, insurable interest, settlement of insurance claim, surrender value, everything is adjudicated by the IRDA. Specifying requisite conditions, code of conduct, practical training for intermediaries and insurance intermediaries and agents. These are all specified by the IRDA. There are norms of training, how they should be trained, what all they should know, how the intermediate should function. Everything is determined by the IRDA. Specifying code of conduct for surveyors and loss assessors. Right? So promoting and regulating, levying fees for and other charges for carrying out the purposes of this act, promoting professional organizations connected with insurance and the reinsurance business, calling for information, inspection, conducting inquiries, investigations, audit of all the insurers. So everything is controlled by the IRDA as per its rules and regulations, right? IRDA controls the regulation
Yes,
of the
sir. Yes, sir.
rate, advantage, terms and conditions of all the insurance companies. Okay. Just hold on 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So IRDA, controls all the insurance companies, insurance intermediaries, right? It determines the rates of insurance, terms and conditions, specifying how books of accounts should be maintained by the insurance companies and the intermediaries, regulating maintenance of margin of solvency, and other duties includes adjudication of disputes, tariff advisory committee, specifying percentage of life insurance and general insurance business to be undertaken by the insurer in the rural and social sector. This is similar to, the priority sector lending of the RBI, right? So these
Yes,
are the
sir.
major roles of IRDA. So we have seen three regulators, which is the RBI, the SEBI, and the IRDA.
Yeah,
Okay, these three regulators play a major role in functioning of banks. Okay,
yes, sir.
RBI through the RBI Act and the Banking Regulation Act, they control the functioning of all the banks. RBI has its powers, duties, responsibilities, right? Then we
Yes,
have
sir.
SEBI because banks have to be listed. We will have to mandatory follow the regulations of the of SEBI. Then IRDA, because banks have insurance subsidiaries and banks themselves, are agents of insurance companies, then we are supposed to follow the rules and regulations of the IRDA. So these
Yes,
are the
sir.
three major regulators which influence the working of any bank, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll stop with this today. We will continue tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then we'll continue our sessions tomorrow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.